This is the second video presentation for CASE Food Science and Safety course. As you view this video, be sure to make notes of important information. Feel free to pause, repeat, and resume the video whenever necessary. Safety in the Food Science Laboratory, Lesson 1-2, Safety, Science, and Inquiry. You have completed Lesson 1-1, during which you've learned about the history and breadth of the food science and safety industry. This presentation provides information about safe practices for handling food and tools in a food science laboratory setting. There are many definitions for safety. Most simply put, safety is the freedom from accidents. Safety is a personal responsibility. The person most responsible for your safety is you. You are also responsible for respecting the safety of others. Your teacher and potential employers expect you to act in a manner that is safe for you, your colleagues, and laboratory property. Having an attitude of safety is the first step to being responsible and respectful in the laboratory. A safe attitude consists of coming to class with a positive attitude and a willingness to try new things or experiences. A person with a safe attitude reads all procedures before beginning and follows those procedures as written. You should always clean up according to instructions for your safety and that of others. One document you should refer to during lab preparation is the FSS Laboratory Safety Manual. Personal protective equipment should be worn at all times in the laboratory. Safety glasses, aprons or lab coats, gloves, and hairnets are standard PPE in the food science lab. Working in the laboratory will help you understand many of the complex processes involved with food science research. However, there are hazards present when working with glass, chemicals, fire, and tools. Always use materials as instructed and with care. Most accidents can be avoided by following procedures and acting cautiously. Small fires sometimes occur in a food science laboratory. It is important to remain calm. Ask a classmate to get the teacher, and if the fire is small, put a lid over the top of it to deprive the flame of oxygen. If the fire is in the oven or microwave, keep the door closed and shut off the appliance. Remember to never put water on a grease fire. Use the lid method, or when in doubt, use a fire extinguisher. Any materials that require special handling procedures will have a safety data sheet, or SDS. Your teacher will show you where to find this information in your facility. Accidents happen in labs. Solutions get spilled and glass gets broken. Due to the nature of chemicals used, please report all spills and broken items to your teacher. We will work together to clean up the materials properly and safely. The lab is equipped with spill kits and equipment. Spill cleanup for material is also included in SDS. We will review the locations and use of these items in this lesson. During research, procedures and protocols must be carefully documented in order to repeat experiments and even pursue future patents and new food products. During Activity 112, Food Science Notebooks, you set up your laboratory notebook. These records may be used to identify potential unsafe reactions or errors in procedures that lead to accidents. Be sure to record everything accurately. When recording data, it is helpful to use charts, graphs, tables, pictures, or any combination of those. As a review, mark or highlight 3 key points in your notes that are important to remember from this presentation. List 2 ideas or concepts that relate to previous knowledge. List any questions you have about this topic. Discuss these questions with your instructor. Keep any notes you have from this presentation organized and available for use throughout the course. Through Activity 121, Safety in the Laboratory, You will diagram and describe where safety equipment is located in order to practice good laboratory procedures and also ensure the quality and integrity of lab data. You should carefully review the FSS Laboratory Safety Manual and the General Laboratory Safety Agreement and sign the agreement. After you pass the Lesson 1-2 Check for Understanding, your teacher will sign the General Laboratory Safety Agreement. Keep this contract in your notebook. Your teacher will provide you a guided tour of the laboratory facility as well as any additional instructions.